The robotics industry is becoming more competitive by the day, and to add to the competition, a robotics startup called MagicLab just recently unveiled a video showcasing their latest creation, MagicBot. The humanoid robot carefully grabs a marshmallow and skewers it with precision to roast over a grill before folding clothes and placing them in a basket, though it might need to brush up just a little bit on its folding skills. The video also shows the robot watering a plant before gently caressing it, displaying human-like precision. And to top it all off, MagicBot transforms an egg into a ball, showcasing its skill in handling small objects. I know, you're probably thinking, a ball in a cup, whoop-de-doo, but this signifies that MagicBot can differentiate a variety of items which can be used for our benefit on a much larger scale than simply putting balls in cups. And did I mention it can dance? This robot's going to be a strong competitor against Tesla's Optimus, with MagicLabs envisioning this model as a versatile asset for deployment across various scenarios. MagicBot holds promise in diverse fields such as sports, entertainment, industrial automation, search and rescue, and logistics. The price has not yet been revealed, but I imagine it will be close to the Tesla's Optimus to heat up the competition. What do you think about MagicBot, and what would you use it for if you had one? Let me know in the comments section below, and to stay up to date with future content, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and until next time, save that money.